Welcome! This quick guide will show you how to access the operation and maintenance video for your Infitek product. Let's start with method 1, using the QR code. First, use your phone's camera to scan the QR code on your Infitek product. You'll be automatically redirected to the services page on our website. Next, on that services page, look for and tap the Instrument Video button. This will take you directly to our official Infitek YouTube channel, where you can explore all our product videos. To find your specific installation video, use the search bar at the top. Simply type in @Infitek followed by your product model number. Alternatively, you can use method 2 using our website. Go directly to our website at www.infitek.com and navigate to the services page. On the services page, click the View More button. This will also take you directly to our official Infitek YouTube channel. Once on our YouTube channel, again, use the search bar to find your specific video. Type @Infitek and then your product model. And that's it. You'll find the installation video you need. Thank you for choosing Infitek.